When we think about carbs, we think bread and pastas, right? And of course, thanks to the keto diet, we now must categorize them under things we shouldn't eat anymore. But that doesn't mean we can't get a little creative and recreate our forbidden favorites. Today's recipe is a play on macaroni and cheese. While we will not use real noodles, we have discovered a magical vegetable that is so versatile in recreating noodles and more. Say hello to your new favorite side dish. Keto recipes, keto baked, macaroni, and cheese. Preparation time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 15 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. This recipe makes 9 servings. Nutrition facts: 214 calories, 17 grams total fat, 10 grams saturated fat, 92 milligrams cholesterol, 353 milligrams sodium, 353 milligrams potassium, 6 grams total carbohydrate, 3 grams dietary fiber, 10 grams protein. What you'll need: 1 large head of cauliflower. Cauliflower reduces inflammation, promotes digestive health, may prevent constipation, diverticulitis, and IBD, reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, promotes a full feeling for longer periods, promotes neurological health, and is a significantly lower carb source than legumes and grains. 2 eggs. Eggs are nutrient-rich, high in quality protein, help raise good cholesterol, heart and brain health, eye protection, naturally filling, feel full longer, one of the best dietary sources of choline, boost nutrient intake. 1/2 vegetable stock cube. 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mustard may offer protection against many diseases, bacteria, fungi, cancerous cells, and may reduce inflammation and may help maintain blood sugar. 1/2 cup heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream contains choline, vitamins A, D, E, and K, helps with immune function, eye health, early brain development, metabolism, improves bone health, and contains calcium and phosphorus. 1/4 cup sour cream. Sour cream helps maintain the teeth and bones, can assist cardiac muscles, helps maintain cells, basic components assist in treating Alzheimer's, promotes tissue growth, helps maintain digestive health, helps promote healthy eyes, increases immunity, helps maintain healthy hair, and helps maintain skin health. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Black pepper is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, has been shown to improve brain function, may improve blood sugar control, may lower cholesterol, may have cancer-fighting properties, boosts absorption of nutrients, may promote gut health, may offer pain relief, and may reduce appetite. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper or 3 jalapenos. Cayenne pepper may boost metabolism, can help curb hunger, may help reduce blood pressure, may assist digestion, may reduce pain, may reduce symptoms of psoriasis, and may reduce the risk of cancer. Jalapenos are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, contain carotene, folate, vitamin K, B vitamins, may improve blood flow, may contribute to preventing obesity, and promote pain relief when applied topically. 2 cups shredded cheese, any variety you like. Cheddar cheese is rich in calcium and protein. It is a good source of vitamin K, especially K2. Vitamin K2 prevents the buildup of calcium deposits in veins and arteries and may decrease risk of heart disease. No additional equipment is required. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and trim cauliflower. Cut cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Boil some water and season with 1/2 vegetable stock cube and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Drain and add cauliflower to a bowl. Add butter to the mix. Stir to coat and set aside. Or if you prefer, microwave the mixture covered on high 4 to 6 minutes. Remove the dish cover, add salt and butter. Stir together to coat. Set this mixture aside. In another bowl, add eggs, heavy cream, sour cream, mustard, salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Whisk everything together until well incorporated. Pour the mixture over the cauliflower. Add 1½ cups of shredded cheese on top of the cauliflower. Stir well. Pour mixture into a prepared 8x8 baking dish. Cover the dish with the remaining 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Place the dish in your preheated oven. Bake it for 30 minutes. Remove the dish from the oven and let it stand for 5 minutes before serving. Now you are ready to serve your baked macaroni and cheese. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.